my Comet K 2025 aspirants, so many of you might have already written the KCET examination, and if it didn't go well, please don't worry. You have another exam, a big milestone coming, another exam that is on May 10th, Comet K. And in this video, I'll be telling you the top 5 colleges that you can enter without KCET. That is by writing Comet K examination, and I'll also be telling you the Comet K 2024 cutoff for these colleges for all the branches. Okay, so let's start with the first college. We have the very famous, very popular, very wanted college, that is RVCE College. Okay, so here you can see the top branches, that is your computer science you can get at 193. Okay, and then there are various specialization in computer science. You can get that up to 321, 424, 274. Okay, and these all are electrical branches that you can get between 1500, 700, 1300 up to 7754. And the next top branch, that is your information science, you can get at 418. Next, coming to some other branches here: aerospace 2593, biotechnology 7451, chemical engineering 5878, and civil engineering 9115. Okay, so you can target these ranks, then definitely you can get into the top colleges of Karnataka without even KCET. Okay, now moving to the next college in our list, that is BMS College of Engineering. So here you can see that computer science engineering cutoff is around 1300. Okay, and the allied courses business system is 1721, data science CS is 1419, then computer science with cyber security and blockchain technology is 1566, electronics and communication engineering is 2407, artificial intelligence and data science is 1539, artificial intelligence and machine learning is 1981, and then these are the top branches where you can see the cutoff. Okay, so within, I can say 1500, 1700, 1900, 2000 rank also you can get into this college. Next college is MSRIT. Here you can see the computer science cutoff is 761, and then computer science with AI/ML is 1227, computer science with cyber security is 1611. Then you can see all the electronical branches here from 2993, 2263, 3301 you can get, and then these are some AI data science 1660, AI/ML you can get it at 1756. Okay, and then we have civil engineering at 16,000, chemical engineering as 13,000, biotechnology as 16,000. Okay, next fourth college, we have some more college in MSRIT, some more branches. So information science and engineering can get for 1700, electronics and telecommunication as 3000, mechanical at 8400, and medical engineering at 19,386. Next, coming to the fourth college, JSSTU. This is a very good college, and here computer science and engineering you can get at 5158 rank. Next, we have very famous Dansagar College of Engineering located in Bangalore, and here if I see that computer science you can get up to 5000 rank, then you can get CS and design at 9400, computer science and business system is also at 9000, computer science with specialization in data science at 6713, computer science with specialization in cyber security 7599, then blockchain technology 8634, electrical and electronics 52,752. Okay, then artificial intelligence and machine learning we have 6927. Okay, next we have electronics, information science and engineering at 8418, electronics and communication engineering at 16,919, electrical and instrumentation 64,019, medical, mechanical, robotics, you can see the cutoff here. Okay, so students, now these are the top colleges in Karnataka where you can get into by Comet K. Even your KCET examination has not gone well, so please don't worry, you have another time. And if you want to prepare fully fledged preparation for this Comet K examination and you are wondering how to prepare, where to prepare, so we have brought you the best crash course online program, a 21-day crash course where the complete syllabus of 11th and 12th will be covered, previous year questions of last 5 5 years will be solved. Okay, apart from that you will be getting 12 mock test papers, their detailed video solutions, paper analysis and live doubt solving classes, and all these are available just for rupees 2000. Okay, so or 1999. So yes, if you are interested, if you want to get into the top colleges of Karnataka, do not miss this opportunity. The link is there in the description section, so please go there and purchase this test series and shape your preparation for COMET K 2025. Okay, all the best students, and that's all in this video.